Hi everyone, welcome back to Hot Water with Sam. I hope all of you are doing well. As you can see, due to the curfew, the roads remained calm and quiet. I hope everybody is safe, sound and healthy. Today, I'm going to share a decoction recipe for fast relief of cold, phlegm and runny nose, and these are the ingredients. Now let's see how to make it. I'm adding 2 glasses of water. You can adjust the quantity of the ingredients as per the amount of water you take. Once the water comes to a boil, add all the ingredients. Stir them well and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add jaggery. As you can see, here I am adding around 3 spoons of jaggery syrup. You can add as much as you wish. Stir well and switch off the flame. Our decoction is ready to be served. If you're making it for children, add less black pepper and ginger. You can also dilute it before giving it to kids as it is strong. I have rinsed all the ingredients well before making it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.